Hello, welcome to video 2 of the JDD prototype video. Just to recap, went through the dash yesterday, and I've got myself a diesel dash. This dash is 200,000 mile on it, but just thought I'd use it for testing. It does exactly the same thing, no revs, no coolant, etc. So you can see the problem here. To pull this out, basically somebody has been at the wiring, which is quite disappointing. Let's see if we can get this out. So as you can see, somebody's been at the wiring, which is a bit disappointing. Something I'm going to have to figure out. Connectors broke, etc. So I did T4 it yesterday, and it is definitely the VIN number is incorrect. So it has been changed at one point. All the rest of the modules are fine, all VIN'd okay. Obviously, except for the engine ECU. The other big thing is that it doesn't seem to be running a Rover ABS module. It seems to be either doesn't have one or it's running something Fiat wise. So it's another interesting thing. So yeah, basically I found myself a second-hand Rover Mark II dash out of a diesel. It's getting sent. It's getting sent for IPK repair, lines repair, and virginize, so I can fully program it into the car. So I'll be fresh dash. So the interesting part is the ECU. The engine ECU is definitely not a Rover item. I've actually pulled it out here. That is completely different ECU connectors for a start. As you can see from the label, it's definitely a prototype system. It's obviously something that Fiat have made for Rover. I'm guessing Rover will give them specifications and they've made it. So you can see from the label here, it's not production approved, which is quite funny. And here is the Rover numbers. So there you go. It's actually EC16C39, which is exactly what the Vauxhall V8s would run in their cars. So they've obviously just rewired it lume-wise for the Rover setup. So yeah, quite interesting. I think I can clone this ECU. This is my plan. I'm going to clone it to identical unit, and then I can keep one for storage in case anything goes wrong, so I don't have just one. The only tricky bit I'm wondering about is the mobilizer side of things, but I'm thinking maybe Rover have it demobilized anyway. I don't think this maybe is mobilized anyway, but yeah, I will. That's the plan. I'm going to clone that ECU. We're going to have one. I'll probably put that one in storage, and then if any problems, then I'll have one to back up on. And it's nice to keep that prototype one away from everything. But yeah, that's it so far. I have a few problems with mileage. I'm not actually sure how the car's counting mileage, because from what I've seen in the past, the mileage comes off the ABS module, and that's how it works out. It gets a pulse signal to the dash from the ABS module from the front right wheel, and it calculates speed and then mileage off that. So I'm not actually sure how it's calculating that mileage at the minute. I'm going to have to do a bit more in depth into the ABS system on the car if there is one, and try and repair them dash lume, and hopefully we can get some revs and speed, etc. working again. I can't see it being too hard. I can work off wire diagrams for that ECU. I should be able to get the signals coming out of it for the different things, and I'm not too sure where it gets the fuel tank data and stuff from. I'm guessing it comes from the BCU, but yeah, getting there slowly. I just thought I'd do a wee videos today, so that's it for today, and I'll see you all next time. Okay, bye.